Hey, what's up guys, Jorgen here. Everybody have probably seen or heard of JBL and their speakers, known for their good quality and their modern design. And now have their new model, JBL Boombox. It's a bigger model with a bigger sound, and bigger means that it's quite heavy. It weighs in at 5.25 kilograms, and you can see the dimensions here. So it's a quite big Bluetooth speaker that uses Bluetooth 4.2. So here can you connect two smartphones or tablets that can take turn playing stereo music. On the top so do you have a handle so you can carry around the speaker. The overall look get me thinking of the old boombox, also called a ghetto blaster, that were popular in the 80s. But there happened a lot since then, that's for sure. You also have a characteristic rugged fabric around the speaker that you can see in most JBL speakers today. And on both sides so do you have a passive radiator that looks massive and creates a good bass on the speaker. On the top front so do you have all the control buttons, where you can power on the speaker and even connect with other JBL Connect Plus speakers. You can wireless connect more than 100 JBL Connect Plus enabled speakers, like the JBL Pulse 3. As the buttons are not backlit except the power button and the JBL Connect Plus button, and they are in the same color as the fabric, are they a little bit hard to see in a dark environment, so here can be an improvement for a better visibility. One thing that I like with the JBL speakers is that they're always well built, and here do you also have water protection, IPX7, which means that it can be immersed in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, and it even floats, so here's no problem if it falls in the pool or things like that. Yes, the speaker is big, but also the battery capacity is big. You have a 20,000 mAh battery that can play music up to 24 hours, depending on the volume you play on. Battery charging time is around 6.5 hours, and at the bottom so do you have 5 LCD lights showing the remaining battery. Maybe not the best placement, as I feel a little bit hidden down there. Another cool thing is that you can use the speaker as a power bank. On the back so do you have two USB ports for charging devices as smartphones and more. You also have a 3.5mm aux-in port for your external devices. There's also a micro USB port for updating the speaker. And then you have the power adapter for charging the speaker. On the back so you also have the sound mode button, where you can switch between two sound profiles. The auto mode do I feel have a little bit more bass in that one, and they say that it also gives you a little bit longer playtime. In AC mode does it deliver output power 2x30 watt, and in battery mode 2x20 watt. So the speaker can deliver real loud music here. It has a good bass, so for you who like a good bass can this be a speaker in your liking. Even if I can feel that it's too much sometime, depending what you play. But it's sure a speaker that can deliver both loud sound and bass. So you're after a speaker that can deliver, can this be the speaker that you're looking for? The only thing that we should have was a 360 sound, so you get more of that surround sound. There's also an app for smartphones, so you can control a lot of functions on the speaker, like as different pairing modes or even upgraded software, and a lot more. It's quite easy to handle too. And if you like, you can even use the speaker as a speakerphone. This works quite okay. A long press on the play button takes you to the voice assistance on your Android or iPhone. Who's the best tech reviewer on YouTube?
A summary from NeoReach. Top Tech Influencer 1, Unbox Therapy. Top Tech Influencer 2, Marcus Brownlee.
What?
Top Tech Influencer 5, Jonathan.
Well, except errors like this, so does it deliver a good quality and good sound? So are you looking for a bigger speaker? Can this be a good alternative? And I think that's it guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe so I can see you in the next one. Over and out.